Hello and welcome to this video, which is dedicated to this black box. I received it from No Trick Pony Lockpicking, and it's one of the most interesting, amazing, I don't know how to say, inspiring, craziest packages that I have ever received. Everything started when I watched his latest video, which was about decoding a master four-wheel combination lock. By the way, that's his YouTube logo. Please check him out. He's making great videos. So I watched his video about this master padlock four-wheel combination, and I asked him for a trade, and yeah, he agreed, and here it is. That's the master padlock he decoded in his video. And I can tell you, he must have golden hands and very sensible fingers. Or sensitive? I think it's sensitive. Sensitive fingers. Because he picked it in, not no time, but he was really quick in decoding this lock. I played with it 1 or 2 hours. But no luck. I don't feel anything. I mean, I feel something, but it's weird. No real good feedback. I can't tell that I feel something that is binding or that one number is better than the other. So this gives me, I think, a lot of more hours of inspiration. Okay, but that's the smallest piece that was contained in this black box that I received from him. I take it aside, and now let's concentrate to this black box. It came along with a letter, and oops, sorry. I quickly read the first paragraph. So hope you have fun with your master. As you do some really awesome stuff, I thought you might enjoy some more. Yes, I do. I have prepared some quests, challenges for you. Some might be dangerous, some might be deadly, some might, well, maybe not that deadly. However, I wrote some numbers on the little packages. These would be the quests, challenges. Alright, so we have a box full of small packages. Every package has a number on it, and a task or information is related to it. So I will get this one out. I think it's number 1. Put the camera a little bit down. So it's number 1, and it says mind the keyway, not gap. 1 key, 3 locks. How many of them can you pick? Oh, hopefully all 3 of them. And what does the letter say? It says there are 3 locks taken from a master-keyed system with 1 key that fits all of them. However, there are different keyways. Explore the keyways and find out how hard they are to pick. So let's have a look how they look like. Well, alright. So this is number 1. Key is mummified. No cheating. No. Would never do that. Alright. Of course, from the Holy Land of EVA, from Austria, of course, we have 3 EVAs with wild keyways. Wow. Great. Thank you. So that was number 1. Try to keep that in order. Alright, this is 6. Then we have 3. What do we have here? 4, sorry, 7. Here is 2. 2 says, which brand and model am I? Can you pick me? In brackets, no key. And what does the letter say? Who is this lady? This lady is quite old and has been mounted into the door of my grandma when I was a kid. Sadly, there are no keys for this anymore. However, she can't remember her own name. Brass model. Can you help me? Can you help her find out about this lock, pick and got it. I miserably failed at the latter part of this quest challenge. Alright, well, let's have a look in this package. Oh, beautiful. WG. Maybe this is an indication of the brand or model or whatever. Looks a little bit like a Kaba. I think there are, how many? Oh, there are three. 3 rows of pins. It's a little bit dark. Let me zoom in. You can see. So we have left and right, and on the top there is also a row. Alright, so this is of course a challenge to pick, and I will try to investigate which company that made. Or you can help me with a comment in this video, to this video. Okay, that was 2. Now let's move on to 3. That's 4. That's 7. Sorry, 6. And here we have 3. It says destroy kid death. Alright. And what does the letter say? Kill it with fire or something else. This ugly monster has to be slain in the most cruel and humiliating manner you can imagine. Find a rake that does not open this Boccia in seconds, then destroy it. If you can, show everyone that this is just an ugly monster in sheep's clothing. Pins and build quality. Okay. Oh. Oh. Monster, come out of here. Oh, is this a monster? Burg Wächter, Boccia, Boccia. Ooh, look at that keyway. Here are the keys. 2 pin rows. Yeah, one on the top and one on the bottom, or one left and right, depending on how you look at it. Works nice and smooth. I'm not sure if this is really a monster. But I will find out if this is a monster. Okay, let's move on to number 4. Okay, no, that's 6. Sorry, I missed. Here's the 4. It says, ooh, just pick it. Boring, I know. No key. Have a pony instead. But the right pony. False, correct. Okay, what does the letter say? Letter says filler quest challenge. Well, this is a typical stereoscopic quest. You know what? Challenging language. What? Where was? Oh, right. This is a stereoscopic quest. Pick and gut this lock if you can. Okay. I cut right through the pony. Haha. Oops. Wow. Look at that keyway. That looks interesting. A dom. Wow. Cool. That's a cool lock. Great. Haha. Alright. Boring. No, that's not boring. Ha. Okay, so let's move on. What's the next number? 5, I guess. Oops, that's 5. Just some magnets. How hard can it be? Key lock's broken but does work. And the letter says playing with magnets. How hard can it be? You feel the might from the Everland. Or just got it and have fun with it. The key looks broken but still works. Thought you might still enjoy. I do enjoy every lock and every challenge. Real challenge quests. Here I picked this one row of rotors, EG4 successfully. Can you do any better? I really want this monster. not a monster, to be slain at some point in time. Okay, so that's a monster. Doesn't want to go out. Monster is hiding. Yeah. Wow. Ooh. EVVA with 4 magnets. Ooh. Look at that. Great. And now let's check. Oh, there are even cuts on the key. Oh, weird cuts. Wow. Oh. Now, it only goes in one way, so it's not a reversible key. Oh. Great. And the other side. Wow, that's an awesome lock. Cool. Really, really cool. Thank you very much. From the Holy Land of EVVA, an EVVA. Magnet EVVA. Thank you very much. That's great. Alright. So, 2 more to go. 2 more left. And we have the 6. Help! It just says help. And what does the letter say? Help me, help the little one grow stronger. This poor little Basi is, well, a poor little Basi. Help him to get stronger. Make a quest log, make a challenge log out of it and send it back to me or some pony else. Okay, so let's see how that one looks like. It's a challenge to get in there, or I'm just stupid. Here we are. Yep, it's a Basi. It's an elephant lock. Yeah, bidding is not too drastic. EL type keyway. Works nice and smooth. And is probably not a hard pick. Yep, I will try to make it harder to open. That's cool. You can change the nose of the, you can change the cam by pressing this pin. Yeah, you know what I mean. Cool little lock. I will make a great challenge log out of it, and of course send it back to you for your pleasure. Alright, here we have number 7, one-way ticket. Help, lost the combination. Can you find it by push picking only? So what does the letter say? This tricycle has been opened, but now nobody knows the combination anymore. Can you find it by push picking? No looky lock. Okay, so oh, nice and shiny. Push picking, I know, because you have to push it in order to get it closed. Yeah, okay, the video is 14 minutes now, and we are at the end. So thank you very much for this great challenge, quest, locks, and this black box full of inspiring small packages. I'm amazed. I'm speechless. So I've never received a package like that. All these funny, interesting, inspiring locks that I received. I really love it. Okay, so thank you very much again, and yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Happy picking. Bye bye.